Hello there, Royals. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're returning, oh my God, welcome on board. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, so glad to have you. Welcome. If you are interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, healthy, gorgeous, beautiful hair, then you're in the right place. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. All right, today, as always, jump rolling, as always, I have a very interesting tutorial to show to you, and we'll be making a pre-poo. It looks like we've been dealing with aloe vera a lot. Aloevera Prepoo. Listen, I have had my hair out for over 2 weeks, or about 2 weeks. My hair's been out to play, and with the humidity in Texas, that's not a good thing. So I need to pre-put this hair with something with a lot of moisture and sleep, so that when I'm detangling, I'm not gonna be losing a lot of hair. And guess what that's gonna do for me? When I'm retaining all that length, I'm seeing massive hair growth, because all of the new growth that I've gotten by massaging my scalp daily with these and all of that good stuff that I do to my hair, I'm able to retain all that growth. So let's get into my kitchen. But hold on, my name is Amen with MCK. Let's go. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen. So good to have you back. Oh, now that is my aloe vera leaf. See, I had used a part of it, and this is just the other part that we will be using for today's free poo. And that's just me cutting it off. If you had watched my previous videos or my other videos that I use aloe vera, I did list out the health benefits of aloe vera. Of course, this is loaded with a lot of vitamins and amino acid, and aloe vera contains over 80% water. So that's why the moisture game is tight. And the sleep in the stain is what we really need for the pre-poo. There are other benefits of aloe vera to the hair, like it contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. You already know I love shiny, right? At this point, you know I love shiny. And it also promotes hair growth because it prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and other conditions on the hair. I'm also going to be using this on the scalp because I need all of that benefits, okay? And for some reason, I like to chop my aloe vera. If you have watched my previous videos, you should know by now that I love it to be in a cube form. Um, it sounds a little crazy, but for today's video, I'm not too crazy. You know why? Because I wanted to try out another means of extracting this gel or juice, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I needed to chop it into smaller pieces, okay? And that's all I have because I'm only going to be using this on my little daughter's hair, little snow princess. I usually don't throw away the skin. Okay, that's loaded with a lot of amino acids also. So this is my first extraction method. Using a cheesecloth, double cheesecloth, I'm just gonna place my gel in it and try to squeeze it out. Now there's something you need to know about me. I love to work fast. Whatever I'm doing, don't matter. I love to work fast and efficient. Um, this was too slow for me. It wasn't doing it too quickly. I felt like I was gonna sleep on this. So no, 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 no. Ain't got all that time. So I had to blend it. I had to blend it. And this is me testing this out for you, the two methods. If you have patience, by all means, please squeeze out the gel. But look at this. I still have a lot of slime, and that's what I'm after. The blended did not take away the slime. So your pick, okay? I'll go with blending. And that's the skin. I'm going to, use it on the scalp, okay? Because this can prevent a lot of scalp issues. It can also heal the scalp promote growth. Oh, and that's my second daughter, Snow Princess. Okay, so she's also had her hair out for so long. Look at that. Look at that. And this is the amount of gel that I have. She loves to roll her hair on the floor. You know, she's a gymnast and does all her gymnastic stuff with her hair on a carpet. And oh my God, I need to use a generous amount so that I can get the sleep and it doesn't hurt her. You know, our type 4 hair can be something else sometime. But aloe vera, this is the magic I was talking about. This is it. Just, okay. She doesn't like her hair to be touched. Listen, I'm not hurting her. I'm not jerking the hair. I'm doing nothing. But look at that. And please make sure you're adding a generous amount of aloe vera gel so that you can get desired result. You can be fast. You know, you're not spending too much time detangling this kind of hair. Our hair has been out for too long. Okay, so look at that. Can you see that? I haven't even run any comb or brush through the hair. This is just me finger detangling her hair. But look at that. Look at how easily it separates. And look at it, all done. Just showing you the section. I'm done washing and adding a little bit of aloe vera leave-in conditioner again. Did you notice that the only ingredient that I use for this Prepoo is just aloe vera? It's just aloe vera for your Prepoo, and you got it. And hey, I covered her hair for about 30 to 45 minutes before washing it out, okay? I did not show that part. I forgot. But yeah, look at that. And this is the end result. Hair is all moisturized. Of course, I used the MCK's moisturizing butter and forest growth oil to finish it up. But hair is well detangled. Okay, juicy, moisturized, healthy. Okay. And that's it. Ta-da. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. I like it. Moisturized hair, strengthened hair, beautiful hair, all gorgeous. So you should try it. Aloevera Prepoo. Thank you so much, dear royals, for watching that video. I hope you're going to be trying out the Aloevera Prepoo. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying that out. And if that button that says subscribe is still red on your end, why is it red? Please click on it. You can as well turn on my notification bell so that you get notified when I drop another hot, interesting tutorial for you. Okay, please like this video, subscribe if it's still red. Okay, subscribe, comment, and please share. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day. See you next week. Bye.